I love the whole feather thing. Everybody's using a lot of feathers, especially in the couture shows. I love the origami kind of, which is, this outfit is like that. And I like color, a lot of color that I'm going to use. Also, it's very strange, there's a lot of color and there's a lot of black and white. Like there's a lot of stark black and white, lots of, geometry in the clothes, which I think is quite fascinating. It's very Japanese, Zen kind of thing that's going on. But what was really spectacular this season was the ode to kind of old Hollywood glamour, old film glamour. And I think Elie Saab did that spectacularly. There were spotlights, there was butterflies, there was sparkles, and, it was unabashed gorgeousness. Everybody tries to do fashion and to try to do something completely different and tries to be out there. But there are very few people who very confidently say that this is how a woman should be, this is how a woman should dress, and I love that. I think just to be really feminine and really sensual and gorgeous. And I'm going to try and do that, this year, hopefully, just to be like really sexy.
As in, we saw the Elie Saab outfits, and I kind of had you in mind that we're going to spot Sonam someday.
I hope so. I'm trying to figure out like which one, but I want to wear one. Right. Seriously soon. Yeah.
We'll look forward to that.
Thank you.
Okay, coming to Jitesh, I mean, this year at Filmfare Red Carpet, the awards, we saw some serious fashion game. So, could you tell us what are the changes or what sort of things have you seen from the past and now, the celebrities, how much of effort do they take?
Well, the biggest change is that you have all the fashion magazines which put film stars on the cover. So movie stars, like in the West, you have models being fashion icons, you have, huge stars, models, and all of them who are huge. Here you have movie stars.
That's in the West also now, Jits.
Yeah, it is. But if you see in India, in the last 5 years, this trend has happened. And I think you have to credit it to her because she really made everybody conscious of what they're wearing. So, oh no, Sonam is coming, so then we have to all get dressed and, So she's sort of up the ante and scale for most of film stars in the country. And I'm not much of a fashionista, but I can tell you it was like the red carpet was like a bevy of, oomph, glamour, and like serious movie star moments, thanks to the fashion and the kind of clothes that they all wore.
Thank you so much.
Hi. How are you?
I'm good. We all asked